Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to go about canceling your Netflix subscription. It's relatively simple. You just want to hop over to netflix.com. I'll link their homepage right at the top of the video description so you can access it through clicking that link. Once you're over at netflix.com, log in to your account, click on your profile, and then find your little profile picture in the upper right-hand corner. That's where it should be on desktop. And go down and click where it says account. And then once you're in your account page, go down to where it says membership and billing, and then click where it says cancel membership. And then over on the next page, to finish canceling your Netflix account, go ahead and click finish cancellation. At the end of the current billing period, it will go ahead and stop that Netflix subscription, and you'll no longer be charged. No strings attached, nothing to worry about, and you can come back to Netflix at any point in the future if they have some more content that you're interested in viewing. Or perhaps maybe you just want to change your plan. They have 3 different offerings with Netflix right now: $8.99 basic plan, $12.99 for standard, and $15.99 a month for the premium option. You can downgrade or upgrade your plan. You can compare the different plans and the offerings over there. But since you're coming to this video, you probably just want to be canceling that Netflix account. That's what you're looking for. So again, just go ahead and click finish cancellation, and you should be good to go at that point in time. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.